Hello again, fellow Homo sapiens. This is our next spider species, the American Nursery Web Spider. They have a really wide range. They range from Quebec and Ontario southwards to Florida, west to southern Texas and Oklahoma. They're interesting because they build a web, but not for hunting or catching prey. They use that to nurse their young. They actively hunt. They go out and actively hunt for their food. They're often confused with wolf spiders, and they do belong to the same superfamily as wolf spiders, but they are not wolf spiders. Their venom is not harmful to humans.